All right, we're on to the next type of interaction. So this one I'm going to add here. We went through all of the question types. I'm going to show you what a pause looks like. And I can just add some notes. So remember, biomolecules are the same as organic compounds. Okay, I can add a file on some audio, an image. I can add whatever. And here I require it. I want them to see my note. It pauses and they can rewind if they want to. Okay. And I'm going to click done. It's very simple. Okay. This is just a way for me to insert a note. So that requires no interaction on the student's part other than it opens up and allows them to view some extra information, something I want to comment on in the video. Sometimes when you're pulling a YouTube video, the person makes a mistake or uses language that your students might be unfamiliar with, and you can easily write them a note to explain what that means.